Hi guys! Welcome to Zandrix World at nandito na naman tayo sa isang video. So this time, this is part 3 of the Happy Meal unboxing video for the original Squishmallows na nirelease this June 13, 2025. So now we've done unboxing the first the first 5 toys on part 1. On part 2, we've unboxed the 6 to 10 toys, number 6 to 10. And now for part 3, we're gonna do the scan to play game, the QR code na nakalagay dun sa packaging ng each toy. So dito si Hallie. Okay, so ito si Hallie ang napili natin for today's video dahil siya ang nagpahiya lang sa atin nung part 1 at part 2 na kala natin si Zumires siya. Okay, by the way, si Zumires, kung gusto niyo makita kung sino si Zumires, nandun siya sa part 2. At panoorin niyo yung part 1 kung bakit big deal si Zumires dito sa Happy Meal Toys nito. Okay, yan si Hallie. Okay, ulit natin si Hallie. Scan to play. Ayan yung scan to play. Ang sinasabi ko na gagawin natin. We'll scan that QR code, then we're gonna play the digital game. And you will also, you can also find the scan to play code, QR code, dito sa likod ng packaging. So, ito nga, yung sinasabi ko yung packaging. Medyo ganyan talaga yung packaging this release ng Happy Meal. Medyo nag-downgrade sila from a box to a paper bag. Okay, so anyway, let's move on to the scanning part. Okay, so let's scan. Mag-airplane mode muna tayo sa ating other phone para walang maka-istorbo sa ating paglalaro. Okay, so here's the phone, the Squishmallows. Okay, then let's scan the QR code. Oh, okay, kaya ma-scan? Oh, we're in video mode. Okay, so scan it. Okay, there you go. No internet, of course. Nag-airplane mode kasi tayo. Sige na nga. Okay. Okay, my bad. Okay, let's scan again. Oh, what's that? Yeah, let's scan it one more time. Scan it. Okay, this time gagana na siya. I'm pretty sure. Alright, unless. Ayan, ang ating scan to play Squishmallows. Let's play. Natin yung volume. Okay, 18% na lang ang ating device. Kasi dala natin siya kaninang 3 AM doon sa store. Okay, play the game. Inaalam natin kasi na nadadali tayo ng copyright. But there you go. Okay? Alright, daldal na lang ako para hindi masyado mano yung copyright. So there you go. Ayan, si I'm the cat. Ito yung si Cookie, si Junie, si Charles, ito si Zumires. Ayan ang Zumires. Ito si Hallie, and this is Maritza. Okay, so there's 7 of them, but there are total 10. So just watch the other videos, parts 1 and 2, so you can be able to see kung ano yung other characters. Okay, so select a character. Sino yung select natin? Select natin itong isa. Okay. Ano kayang gagawin? Hindi tayo tingin ko nang gagawin. Okay. Okay. So, para siyang okay. Ano nga ba yun? Yung temple run? Hindi. May isa yung hindi temple run. Yung may basta yung may isang app. Isang game. Or parang yung Minions game. Sige, yan. Yan. Sino yun? Oops! Oh, okay, hindi tayo nakafocus. Okay, let's. Okay, medyo Oh no. That was so wrong. So we're game over. Okay, let's replay. Replay. Na game over tayo doon. Sayang. Okay. Yan, si Rorty. Oh no! So advanced naman tayong gumalaw. Nawala si si Rorty. Oh no! Maritza. And the cat. Alright. Yan lang nga natin. So, there's Rorty. Diba? Tapos na sana siya. Kanina pa. Ayun. Si Cookie. Very good. Alright. There you go. Next level. See the next level. Also 3 levels siya. Okay. Sana hindi tayo pumalpak this time. Okay. Charles. Oh, what's that? Akala ko. Malabo ang mata natin. Akala ko si Holly. That was so fake. Okay, si Junie. Okay. Who's that? Who's that? Parang wala yun sa choices dun sa sa 10 toys. Okay, so confirmed. May international release. Zumires. Favorite natin yan si Zumires. Si Holly. Si Holly at si Zumires. Ayan, yung bilog na yun, para siyang si Holly. Kung anong colors. Kaya tayo nagkamali. Daming excuse. Ano lang talaga. Hindi naman talaga magaling. Okay, yun pa rin yung kapitbahay namin. Hindi pa rin masaya yung aso nila. Check nga natin mamaya. Baka naman kung paano na. Pero kasi sa likod bahay siya, so hindi siya accessible to us. Hanggang silip lang kami sa bintana. Okay, tapos natin yung stage 2. There you go. Then lastly, stage 3. Okay. Natin. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Oh, who's that? Ah, yung leopard. Sino yung leopard? Alimutan ko yung pangalan ng leopard. Si Miren. Okay, sana maalala ko yung name ng leopard bago tayo matapos dito. Oh, the penguin. Oh, yun ba yung isa sa mga original Squishmallows? Ayun. Matapos natin si Holly yung last. Okay, there you go. Okay, so meron yata international So sino tong penguin? And this leopard, I don't remember your name. Okay, but anyway, ayan nga yung game. So natapos natin yung game. It's very simple. It's like Temple Run or the Minions game. Yung tatakbo ka lang, then you're gonna collect the Squishmallows characters. And yun, gano'n na siya kasimple. So thank you so much sa panonood ng ating part 3 nitong Happy Meal toys na original Squishmallows. Ayan, so may iba pang characters na you can choose from. Pero so far parang yun na yun. Stage 3 stages siya. And then you finish the game after the 3rd stage. Okay, so yes, ganun lang siya kasimple. So balik na tayo. Yan yung controls. And thank you so much again for watching our unboxing videos. Parts 1, 2, and part 3, which is the scan the QR game. And maraming salamat sa mga nagsasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe or to follow our social media accounts sa Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, X. Okay, so see you there dahil again, mamimigay tayo ng giveaway na 300 pesos worth cash or GCash. So watch out kayo for the mechanics on our i-announce natin siya dun sa ating social media accounts. So please don't forget to share this video para maraming makasali sa ating promotion. Okay, the more the merrier, and tayo madamot. Share the blessings. Para mananalo ng mananalo ng 300 pesos na ating giveaway on July 18. So see you soon, and thank you again for watching. Okay, bye bye.